And I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth living.
Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today we will learn how to give gritty black and white cinematic look for your photos. Click on the basic section at the beginning. Increase the temp to +7. Increase tint to +7. Increase the contrast to +35. Reduce shadow to -91. Increase whites to +37. Reduce black to -33. Increase clarity to +70. Reduce vibrance to -51. Reduce saturation to -61. Then click on the tone curve. From here, click on the point curve. Here you need to create 4 points. Do it as showing in the video. Then click on the HSL color section. From here, click on saturation. Increase red to +80. Increase the orange to +50. Increase yellow to +50. Then click on the color grading section. From here, click on shadows. Increase the hue to 250. And increase shade to 35. Then click on highlights. Increase the hue to 35 and increase shade to 20. Then click on the effect section. From here, reduce the amount to -25. Increase the grain amount to 92. Increase the size to 50. Increase roughness to 77. Done. Your photo is now gritty black and white cinematic look. Thanks for watching the video.